Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 poll course on this part 130 permanently delete and swap delete in Laravel 11. This is my official website www.errorsolution.com. This is my official website. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run localhost and PHP my admin. This is already run. This is a database name real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. This is all table is available 24 table, and this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc folder, and this is a project is available. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's this project inside this cmd open means command prompt open this directory inside. Successfully open this directory inside the cmd. Let's php artisan server and enter successfully working fine. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine and slash admin login successfully. This is a login screen is available. Let's admin @gmail.com. Password is 123456789 and click this login and not now. Successfully login. Please wait. This is a successfully login. Let's click this discount code. This is a discount code. Click this. Inside this is available. This is a for record is available. This is a for record. Let's open this discount code table. This is a table is available. Discount code table. This is available discount code table inside this for record, and this is a for record is available. All good. And this is inside this delete button is not available. Action button inside. Let's implement. This is the delete button. Resource view admin and discount code inside. This is a list file. Let's new button delete button is a implementation inside. This is only edit button is available. Let's delete button is not unless a tag class btn danger means delete means danger. Save file. This is a implementation, and this is a record is a source means refresh, and this is a available good working. This delete button is a successfully available, and this is an include, and this is id is available. This table id is already available. This forest loop inside this is the id is available value. Same name is a copy and inside this is a paste here. Otherwise this is a paste here url, and this is a paste here. This paste here successfully paste inside. This is a paste good working. Same url this copy route and paste here, and this is a delete, and this is a successfully working good, and this is a working fine. Same here copy, and this is the id is a dynamic id set, and this is a tag means get method, not a post, only get method. Let's route inside web.php file open. This is a web.php file open. Inside this new function is a create route get and paste here, and this is the id is a pass. This id discount code class, and this is the name is available. Discount code delete, and this close this. Successfully implementation this route. Same name is a copy discount code controller, same copy, and this discount code controller this is available inside. This is a include date. This is a include date. Same name is a copy. This is a copy discount code delete this copy, and this is a app http controller, and this is a discount code controller. This is available. Let's public function inside this new function is a create public function and paste here $id pass, and this is a request $request and this is already implementation inside. This is already implementation request, and this is a echo inside this www.errorsolutioncode.com and die and save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully refresh, and this is the number is available. This is a 2 number. Let's click this delete, and this is a 2 number is available. This 2 number good working. This is a www.errorsolutioncode.com. This is my official website. Error solution, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. 7 year experience. Lost a project, any doubt to please contact anytime. New project development to please contact, and this is available. Let's remove this. Inside this is a new delete record is equal to save file. This delete record is equal to save file, and this is a table name is available. Discount code. This is a model inside. This is available discount code. This is already included. Please write down this only simple way. This is only simple, not this function is not a write down. This only discount code is inside. This is the implement this table name, same name, copy this model, copy, and inside this is already include. Let's paste here. Find $id. Good working. This is the same name is a copy and $record is equal to delete and save file. Let's return redirect with danger. This is otherwise. This is a file name is available. This file name is and inside this is the implementation. This is this list file inside. This button is include. This button is include, and this is include inside. This is a file is available. This message include underscore message, and this message file inside. This is available. This is a message available. Same name is a copy and paste here inside. This is a paste here. This paste here. Record, delete, and save file, and return redirect. This page is a back button. Click this delete. After this page is a return redirect. Same name is a copy and paste here. Successfully paste. Let's refresh this page. Successfully all implementation, and this inside this is a less inside this is delete record is a save file. This is a record is a 1 2 3 4 is available. Inside this 1 2 3 4 is available. Let's 3 number is a remove. Let's remove 3 number is a remove this remove, and click this delete, and successfully this is a delete record. Message is a show. Good working. This is 1 2 and 4 available. 3 number is a remove. Good working. Let's refresh this page, but as inside this delete button inside this alert not show. Let's one alert is a implementation. One alert. Let's one alert inside this one alert. Open this, and inside this is open this delete button with this is a delete button inside this one click is a implementation. This one function one click. Are you sure want to delete? Yes, yeah, no. This please write down. This is a save file. Please one inside this only include. This is a confirm message. Show are you sure want to delete? Yes, yeah, no. Yes, refresh this page. Successfully available. Let's click this delete, and this is a message. Show are you sure want to delete? Cancel is a not a delete. This cancel is a not a delete. Good working. This is delete. Yes, okay. This successfully redirection deleted. Good working. This 1 and 4 available. 2 number is a delete. Good working. Let's soft delete is a set. This soft delete. Click this structure, and this soft delete inside this record is available. Delete. This is a soft delete is available. Just click this new field is delete is deleted. Tiny integer for record by default is a 0. 0 is a show. This is a 0 means show, and 1 means not show. This is a soft delete inside. This is a implementation. this 0 is a show. Let's click this. Inside this same name is a copy, this is a comment, only same name is a comment, same name is a copy, and this delete, this the field name is implement is delete is equal to 1, and the same name is a copy and save file, save. Good, working. This successfully save. Only single line is a commit and 2 line is a implementation. Let's refresh this page, and this is a 1 and 4 is available, 1 and 4 available, in 0 0 is the available 0. Let's any 1 is a 1, let's phone number is a delete, this is the phone number is a delete, this is a delete, click this delete, are you sure want to okay, and this is a delete, this is a 1. Inside this refresh this page, in 1 is a show. Good, working. This is a update, but inside this is a not a remove, this is not a remove show. Let's where condition is implement, this model open, discount model, this is a list file is available, discount model, this model, inside this is a list show get record, this is a get record is a available, this get record, and this is a list file is a available. This is a available list file, and this is a model is open, this model, why this model is available, this is a model discount model code model, this model is inside this one condition is a implementation, same name is a where is delete is only select, the same name is a copy and paste here is equal to only, otherwise only is equal to 0 show, this 0 show, and this is a dot, and this discount code same name is a copy and paste. Let's save file, and this is a 1 is a not show, only 0 is a show. Let's refresh this page, successfully remove, this is only 1 is a show. Good, inside this available 1, this soft delete is a working fine, this is a delete, this is a not a delete, and this is a refresh this page, and this is a 2 record is a show. Good, working. Let's this is a 1 number is a delete, let's 1 number is a delete, inside this available 0, this is a 0 is a available. Let's refresh this page and click this one, are you sure want to delete, yes, okay, and this is a 1 is a delete, successfully delete, only 1 phone number is available, inside this is a update. Good, working. This is a fine, this is a soft delete is a implementation, this is a fine, and this is a 0, this is a all good, this is a soft delete, and this delete okay, and this is a 2 is a soft delete is a working fine, record is a deleted. Good, working. Refresh this page, this is a database table is a update, all good, this is a fine. Inside this is any backup record, so 0, this 0 and this 0 in implement, this is a record is a backup, otherwise this is a record is a backup. Good, working. This is a not a delete, all successfully shared. This is a condition. Please write down this model, please write down this model, inside this is the implement, all good, this is a route is available, and this is a available, this soft delete, and this inside this function is a discount code, inside this list file is already open. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website, and this is YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon and follow this all page, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub page. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.